Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marissa. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do a everyday Korean student makeup look. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start with putting some skincare products on to moisturize my face. So first a toner. Next I'll be applying this moisturizer. Alright, so first step I'm going to do is put on foundation. So I'm going to use this cushion right here. I'm just going to lightly pat it on to my skin, like so. I like this cushion because it's like nice and soft and it moisturizes my face. It's not like too dry. And the color fits pretty well to my skin tone. So this is one side of my face covered in the foundation. It's not the best coverage, but it definitely does cover a few of my redness and other lines, but it does the thing and it makes my skin look a lot brighter. So next I'm going to apply concealer on my blemishes or any parts that I want more brightening, and I'll be using this concealer. All I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. Alright, great coverage. So next I'll be doing my brows. So first I'm going to line them. I'm just going to follow my natural eyebrow lines because I want it to look pretty natural. So I'm just going to just lightly line it through. I think for school makeup, definitely don't draw your eyebrows and just line your natural eyebrows because it just looks a lot nicer and more natural. Now I'm going to use this powder and fill my eyebrows in. And just as an extra step, I'm going to use the brush end of my liner and just brush it out. So next I'm going to work on contouring my face. I'm going to be using this shading powder. For contouring, if you're a student, I suggest using a lighter shade, nothing too dark or too crazy. So first I'm going to just shade kind of near the crease right here, my eyebrow and eyes, so like this. Then I'm gonna slightly bring it down all the way to the tip of my nose here. Then I will cover the sides very lightly like so. And also I'll just put a little bit under my chin and jaw to add more jawline. And that's it for contouring. So now we're finally working on eyeshadow. So I'll be using this palette. So for the base, I'll be using this one right here. So basically just apply it near the crease of your eye, all around the top lid, and then also add this base color to your bottom lid, just following your eye shape. So this is what it should end up like for the base. And then I'll be using this color below. I'll be adding it kind of closer to my lid in the outside. Right here. And blending it inwards. So now the base of my eyeshadow is done, and I'll be doing eyeliner after I do mascara. So first I'll be applying my mascara, and this is my curler. So now we're going to move on to eyeliner. So here's a quick tip for those who aren't that good at drawing their eyeliner, like me for example. I'll go back to my eyeshadow palette and go to this dark brown right here. So basically I'm going to draw my eyeliner with eyeshadow first. So this is what it looks like. Now, if you don't like how it ended up, you can just go like this and it's gone. And redo it until you like the shape of the eyeliner. Now that you have the idea of how you want to draw your eyeliner, you can go take an actual eyeliner and start drawing it. Now, even this step doesn't have to be perfect, because the next step is to go back to eyeshadow and blend the eyeshadow with the eyeliner. Also, what I like to do is take the eyeshadow and just continue the eyeliner down this way with your eye to the middle. So the very next step is adding glitter. So I'm going to be using this little eyeshadow palette that has 2 layers. So for the top one, I'll be using this pinkish glitter. I'll just be applying it with my finger. So I'm just gonna put it on my finger and apply it to the middle here, my top lid. And then for the bottom lid, I'm going to use this beige glitter color. Now the very last thing I missed with eye makeup is the aegyoso. I can't pronounce that well. Aegyoso. So basically the little eye bags. I kind of naturally have pretty defined eye bags, but I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. So take a little bit of a very beige shade. I'm going to use the contouring that I had and just lightly add it to your eye bags. For me, it's pretty defined, so I don't want to put too much, but basically just squint a little bit and then lightly just coat it a little bit and blend it. So next I'll be applying blush. I'll be using this pink shade, brush it on in this area, like a little square here. So just put it here. So finally, next step, we'll be doing the lips. So I'll be using this as a base color. It's peachy lip color. I like to use this cotton swab to kind of fix the shape of this application. So to finish off my lips, I'm going to be using this lip tint, and it looks like this. You guys like this color? Now, very last step is to add highlighter to just brighten certain parts of my face so my face doesn't look super like round or anything. So I would just use my fingers and I'll just apply to the tip of my nose here. A little bit upwards up my nose, just like there. I'm gonna put some at the edge of my eyebrows. A little bit above my lips here, and in the inner corners of my eyes. So yeah, this is my final makeup look. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? So I'm gonna go fix my hair, maybe straighten it and slightly curl my bangs, and then I'll show you guys the ultimate final look. So yeah, this is my final Korean student makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, this is the end of the video as well. So I hope you guys find this helpful and we'll try it out. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications to be notified when I post my next video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!